Hi, so in previous video we made this little schematic diagram and we made this small simple PCB. Now in this video I want to show you that while routing and the layers and doing PCB design, if we want the tracks, some tracks to be of specific bits, we can do that using the parameter directives in here. So the need for this specific change in a specific track becomes very much obvious in the power electronics when you have the supply lines like the power supply track or the ground track, which has to be a little bit wider or bolder than the rest of the tracks which carry just the small signals. So let's say this is the 5 volts, and if I want this track to be a little bit bigger than the others, so I need to select this one, or you don't need to select. You just go to the place, go to the directives, go to the parameter set, and hit space and put this. You see this cross icon, you just connect this one here. Okay, so this is connected. Now if I double tap, you see this one, add rule, and the rule is this one, the width constraint. You can play with other rules as well, but the width constraint is like this one. So I want this to be thick as like 1.2 mil, and minimum is 1 and maximum is 1.5. That's okay. So now that constraint is added only to this 5-volt wire over here. So yeah, that's it. Save it, design, update your PCB document, validate and execute. Now I got this PCB in here. So if I go to the route, auto route all, since I changed the width of all the tracks previously, so to make the difference visible, I'll just make other tracks small, which are by default like that. The default track width is like 0.25 millimeter or something like that. Okay, so this is this one. So when I have not that parameter set attached, I don't see this schematic width constraint option here. So this only becomes available when you have attached that little parameter set icon in the schematic. So in here you can see that it now reads 1.2 preferred and 1 mil minimum width, and this width applies to all the rest of the tracks. So click apply, OK, and route all. So now you can see that the 5-volt wire is thicker than the rest of signal wires. So this is how you can put the specific constraints to specific tracks in the PCB.